In the forgotten jungles of a primeval Earth, there walked a beast that reigned with no rival. Its shadow silenced the forest. Its roar echoed through time. Its name struck fear into the hearts of all who dared imagine it. Tyrannosaurus Rex, the tyrant lizard king. Born in the twilight of the dinosaur era, it ruled the lands of what we now call North America, some 68 million years ago during the final chapter of the Cretaceous period. Its world was wild, vast floodplains, steaming forests, and rivers teeming with prey. T-Rex wasn't just another predator, it was the apex, the nightmare, the king. Part of a family of fearsome giants called Tyrannosaurids, it stood at the very top of the prehistoric food chain. Imagine a creature taller than a giraffe, heavier than a full-grown elephant, and with a bite strong enough to crush bone like paper. That was Tyrannosaurus Rex. It could reach lengths of over 40 feet and stand nearly 13 feet tall at the hips. This beast weighed up to 9 tons. Its body built like a living tank. Its skull alone was a weapon, nearly 5 feet long, armed with banana-sized teeth, serrated like steak knives, designed not just to kill, but to pulverize. Despite its comically small arms, each was muscular enough to lift nearly 200 kilograms. But it didn't need them. Its real power was in its legs. Thick, muscular. And made for stomping across its domain. Its long tail kept it balanced like a tightrope walker. And its roar? Imagine a low, bone-rattling growl mixed with thunder. A sound that told every creature, "You're not the hunter today." It didn't chase. It waited. Hidden beneath the water skin, it watched, unmoving. When the moment was right, it struck. Not with roar and rage, but with silence and its snout, lined with sensors, could feel every ripple, every twitch in the current. It didn't need sight. The river spoke to it. It hunted alone. No packs, no herds, just the stillness of a shadow moving through reeds. Some say it rested on land between hunts, but its soul belonged to the water. When it vanished beneath the surface, the swamp grew quiet, or even time itself held its breath. The legend of the Tyrant King didn't begin in a jungle. It began in the Badlands of Montana. In the 19th century, a man named Barnum Brown, wearing a dusty hat and a dream, uncovered the first bones of a creature the world had never seen, and what he found was just the beginning. Since then, dozens of T-Rex fossils have been unearthed, from towering skulls to nearly complete skeletons. 2 names stand above the rest. Sioux, discovered in South Dakota, the largest and most complete specimen to date, and Scotty, found in Canada, a giant among giants. Today, these fossils rest in the great halls of museums, but they once shook the earth. And with every new discovery, the king's shadow grows larger. Meteors hadn't fallen yet. The sky hadn't burned. And in that fleeting moment, he walked alone. Unchallenged. Unstoppable. The last king of a dying world. Want more prehistoric legends? Hit subscribe and join us next time for another battle beyond time.